Easy does it. There we go. Mixer likes breakfast, huh? Yeah, one full bag. Little splash of water.
And it's all ours, huh?
Soon as the paperwork's signed.
Then let's see what we're buying.
After you.
It must be hard for you, but you're doing a good job.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Keep at it, all right? I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Nothing better than cold water after hauling bricks.
You look like you needed that. Heat's brutal
Tell
today.
me about it.
Morning, Snow. You put in the hours. Here's your pay.
Thanks, boss.
Count it if you like.
I trust you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Stay safe out there.
That's better. Ready for the day.
Morning, kid. Off to town.
Morning. Yeah, thanks for stopping.
Hop on in.
Thanks.
Get out of here, you freak. That's right. Keep walking.
Huh? Hey, thought you could use this.
Hi. Oh, thanks.
You're probably tired, so drink up.
That hits the spot. Thank you.
Anytime.
And then the dog just sat in the fountain like it was his bathtub.
No way! Did you have to pay for the ice cream?
Nah, the vendor was laughing too hard to charge me.
That's priceless. Beanpole and his cheerleader. Hi? You call those arms? I break breadsticks bigger than that.
What's going on in that head of yours?
I just feel stuck. Tired of feeling like this.
Then let's change it. You need to exercise. Look. It's not about being perfect. It's about starting.
First warm morning of the season. Everyone's trying to pretend they're athletic.
Except us?
We're strolling artists. Totally different league.
Right, professionals at appreciating the scenery.
And the sun.
That was amazing!
And they're off. White Cat bounces light on her paws, eyes locked in. Quick jab from the orange tabby, lands clean. Ouch, that one sent fur flying. Couple of shots from the white cap, but they're blocked. Body hook to the ribs, uppercut, big right hand. She's taking some damage now, ears are flat. Lands a jab of her own, but the orange one answers with... Ginger Bruiser is pressing forward, big right hand. Misses, the white cat slips under it. Quick head...
For so long. Will you marry me?
Oh, yes, of course I will. I can't believe this. It's perfect.
You're perfect.